I know that this is probably something you've never heard of before, but the Poverty Proof course available at povertyproofcourse.com is the #1 masterclass for wealth creation worldwide. During this global pandemic, there's no better time than to understand the secrets of the wealthy than right now. What are the 4 things that wealthy families and wealthy people have done every single day for their entire existence? Number 1, they've mastered credit. They understand it, they know how to use it, and they know how to apply it, and they know how to keep the credit circulating to create passive income and cash flow. Number 2, wealthy people understand emerging technologies like cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. You have to understand these markets, the altcoin market, the DeFi market for decentralized finance that's revolutionizing 2020 right now, and it's just getting started. Trillions of dollars are going to be moving around and being redirected. You need to get your piece. Number 3, understanding mergers and acquisitions, how to buy and sell businesses properly from anywhere in the world. But not just any business, a business that you can run from home, over the computer, the way that we're doing here from the estate. This is key because now you're protecting yourself from the pandemic and from the COVID-19, but you are also putting yourself in a position to make as much free-flowing cash flow as possible and limiting your exposure and your debt risk. And then number 4, this is the most important thing, you guys. What do wealthy people do when they're making money? They buy physical gold bullion. And let me tell you something. Owning physical gold is what not only wealthy people do in hard times, but also in times of prosperity. Get your physical gold bullion because this protects you against inflation, and we teach you the methods to be able to use your gold to earn even more capital by getting lines of credit, showing you some of the techniques of the wealthy, but you need to be in a Poverty Proof course. You need a mentor. And without a mentor, you cannot be successful financially. The Poverty Proof program provides you with mentorship as well as a master class that can change your life immediately. Many students start to earn within days of taking the course. You should be next. See you soon.